when we learn how to form the expressions, remember you have to take care what your statement is speaking. Okay? For example, if I tell you 5 is added to 3, इसका मतलब ये हुआ, ये स्टेटमेंट आपसे ये कह रहा है कि 5 इज एडेड, मतलब 5 को ऐड किया जा रहा है, किसमें ऐड किया जा रहा है, 3 में. So it means you can write it down, this it is depending on this 3. ठीक है, so you will have this 3 plus first, what is going on, added, so plus what we are adding, 5. So it means we'll write it down 3 plus 5, which gives you answer as 8. ठीक है, but if I change the question and if I write it down like this, 5 is added to A. Here A is unknown, which we don't know. So let's do the same question in the form of A now. 5 is added to A. To A means किस पे depend हो रहा है question हमारा, A पे. So first will come A. What is going on? Addition to added, and what is added? 5 is added. So A plus 5, but here you cannot solve it because it is unknown here. है ना, A is unknown. जब हमें पता ही नहीं तो how can we solve it? We will simply write it down answer as A plus 5. And remember, this A is known as variable. And also जैसे सबका एक घर का नाम होता है कि स्कूल का नाम होता है, चिंटू, मंटू, बबलू, टिकलू, रानू, मानू, सानू, whatever the name is. The same way इसका नाम है variable, जिसको हम formal name बोलते हैं. And another name is literal numbers. LITERAL, literal numbers. ठीक है? Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, and literal numbers like A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. Okay, clear now? So this is unknown now. Answer would be A plus 5. इसको हम यही छोड़ देंगे. खत्म. ठीक है? Suppose your question comes like 7 is added to Z. What can be the answer this time? 7. Don't write 7 plus Z. हमें that is also right, but हमेशा read करो कि बोल क्या रहा है. It is telling 7 is added to Z, मतलब ये Z पे depend हो रहा है. So it means Z plus 7 is more appropriate. Although it was addition, तो आप वो भी लिखोगे तो गलत नहीं होगा. लेकिन subtraction it will be, yes, for subtraction it will have a different meaning then. So remember किस पे depend हो रहा है, इस पे ध्यान देना है. ठीक है, write it down these both question first. Yes. If I speak the question 11 is added to P, that means first we will take it as P, because here this number is depending on P. So this is P, then addition, because P is added to 11. So this answer will be P plus 11. Now remember, always in all the question added is not coming. ठीक है? In some of the question addition की जगह पर एक और statement आता है, that is more than. ठीक है? Now write it down a question. 13 more than B. B for boy वाला. 13. Do not speak the answer. You just write it down. 13 more than B, because others are also writing now. So 13 more than B. Now here again, this 13 is depending on what? B. So first will come as B. Now more means क्या होता है? Plus. More than मतलब उससे ज्यादा. So more than मतलब यहाँ पर you will be having the sign of plus. What is more? 13. So the answer is B plus 13. No, you can write it down 13 plus B, but subtraction में गलती हो जाएगी बेटा, because here it is depending on that, so that will only come first. Now this answer which I am writing the question, you write it down on your copy without speaking. ठीक है? I will ask to whom, they will only say the answer. 7 more than 7 more than C. 7 more than C. Write it down your answer in the copy. Not in all question X. Acha, okay. Yes. Now we are moving addition formation we have done. Now let's do it for subtraction. For subtraction, remember that again the statement matters. Remember, addition में अगर आप C plus 7 लिखो या 7 plus C, that was okay. ठीक है, because आप 3 plus 5 करो या 5 plus 3 करो, answer will remain 8 only. ठीक है, बट जब हम यूज करते हैं इंटीजर का कॉन्सेप्ट तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में गलती होती है. ठीक है, 3 minus 5 give you 2, sorry minus 2, and 5 minus 3 give you 2. So both the answer changes this time. Okay, so remember in this you have to take care what is coming first, what is coming next. Okay, for example, if your question is 8 is subtracted from Z, it means which alphabet will come first here? Z. Then what is going on? Subtraction is going on. So minus, and what is subtracted? 8. So the answer will be Z minus 8. Now if I am changing my question, then you write down the answer. Z is subtracted from 8. Now what answer? 8 minus Z. Because this time 8 will come in front, minus will be there, and this is Z. So the answer becomes now this time 8 minus Z. Okay? So write it down both the cases. Okay, okay. The question was given by me was 5 is subtracted from minus P. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले you will have minus P first. ठीक है, then what is going on? Subtraction. So minus, and what is subtracted? 5. So the answer will be minus P minus 5. Now remember, if I change my question little bit and if I write here minus 4, अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या करना है. If I this side, this is also minus and this is also minus, तो सबसे पहले तो this minus, beta let me speak first and then you do it. Okay? First this minus x will come here because you are subtracting from this minus x. Now your subtraction you have to do. Sit Shashwat. Now this minus and this minus will give you plus. तो या तो आप डायरेक्टली प्लस लिख दो, दैट माइनस एक्स प्लस 4. ठीक है, या तो यू कैन यूज द ब्रैकेट एंड देन यू डू इट. ठीक है, नाउ हियर वी हैव टू यूज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटीजर चैप्टर. ठीक है, सो दिस माइनस एक्स माइनस माइनस 4, either you write down this or you do it directly because this number is also minus, subtraction भी minus होता है, तो दोनों मिलकर क्या बन जाएगा? प्लस. तो माइनस एक्स प्लस 4, राइट इट डाउन दिस. Now this time, please understand this. It is written from minus 11. तो सबसे पहले तो you will have minus 11. ठीक है? Then you are subtracting. तो ये subtract का sign हो गया. Then this is minus p again, so which will be minus p this time. ठीक है? Which you can write it down as plus p. So minus 11 plus p. Remember, this is the most appropriate answer. Now let's note down the next question.